Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Happy Zazzling. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's Day card template for your customers so they can change out the photo and the text on it. Okay, so go down here, go to your Zazzle page and sign in. Click on Create. Go to Blank Products, View All, and then down to Greeting Cards and click on it. Okay, it'll take you to this page. Scroll down until you find right here, fold a greeting card. Now over here you can pick the size of the card you want. I'm going to do a 5x7. You can click on matte or satin. And down here you can do orientation. I'm going to do vertical. So after that, click on customize this design. And then go to upload images. And upload a picture of a couple. I got this image from pixabay.com. Okay, now I'm going to click on it and click on fill so that it covers the whole front of the card. And then I'm going to scroll down here on the right and click on make this a template object. So now the customer can change that picture. I think I'm going to put some text on this, so I'm going to go to text and click on and write I love you. You can put whatever text you want there. Turn it white so it can be seen. Enlarge it. And then you can go over here to the text and try out different texts. I like that one, so I'm going to make sure it's aligned up here. Okay. Now I'm going to go down here and make this a template object also so that customers can put in whatever message they want. So now I'm going to work on the inside of the card. I'm going to go to the inside bottom right and write Happy Valentine's Day. Turn the text to black. Shrink it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go down here and make that a template object too, so the customer can change that to say whatever they want, if they want to add in a little message for them or whatever. All right, then you can go up here and play around with whatever text you like. That's cute, so I'm just going to leave it. And then on the back of the card, you can add your logo or whatever you want. I'll add some hearts in there. Add your logo, your name, or website, whatever you want to add. And that's it. So now you got a card that your customer can change. So if you're a customer and you want to change this, all you have to do is click on personalize this template, and you can change the text and the photo right there. I'll do a tutorial for customers too. But so it's just as easy as that. And now you have your card, just post it for sale. And fill out everything. Add in your description. I'm just doing it quickly here, but you can add more details, of course. Holidays, we're going to go to Valentine's Day. Recipient for them, couple. And I'm going to put it in my time for the holiday store. Add it to Valentine's Day. Sorry about my dogs barking. And then fill in your tags. Rated G, and I have the right to publish. Okay, and that's it. Now it's going to be for sale. So once you do that, you can go right here and click on this link, and you'll see what your product looks like. Now make sure to share it up here on your social media. That way, not only will you get commission for selling it, you'll get a referral fee too. And that's it. If you like the card, there's a link to it below. And happy Valentine's Day and happy Zazzling to you guys. Bye-bye.